Why does Facebook restrict some people accounts? Why other people's doing almost the same thing and nothing happens to them? Why? The answer is not always luck. It is not always luck. And before you make your next post, watch this, because some of the things you are doing every day could actually put your Facebook account at risk. Now, let me give you some common things that can get your Facebook profile or page into trouble. Number one is violating Facebook community standard. Yes, the things like hate speech, threats, harassment, scams, dangerous content, impersonations, and other content that goes against Facebook rules can lead to your content being removed or account being restricted. Alright, so before you post something, don't just ask, will this give me engagement? Also ask yourself, is this allowed on Facebook? Then number two is spamming. Some of you are posting the same content under the different people's posts just to make people notice you. You enter one person's post and write, let's support each other. You move to another person's post and write the exact same thing. Then another post, the same comment again. Please stop that. It is not good. Stop it. If you are repeatedly doing this, that Facebook considers spamming or abusive, you can put restriction on your account. Yes, even sending too many requests, message or other actions very quickly can sometimes trigger temporary limits. So don't behave like you are competing with Facebook server. Slow down. Number three, fake engagements. Yes, fake engagements. I know a lot of you have been buying followers, buying likes, buying comments, or using artificial engagement to make your accounts look bigger. It's not the shortcut you think it is. It is not. You may get numbers, but you are also creating an audience that may not actually care about your content. And some forms of fake or coordinated engagements can violate Facebook policies. Yes. So if you want to grow, build a real audience. That's what I have to tell you. Build a real audience. Then number four is pretending to be someone else. Yes. Don't create an account pretending to be another person, another brand or public figure. And don't use somebody else's identity to deceive people. Facebook takes impersonation seriously. And number five is ignoring Facebook warnings. This one is very, very important. If Facebook removes your content or tells you that something you posted goes against its policies, you don't just ignore the warning and repeat the same thing. Go and check what happened. Understand the policy. Make sure you don't keep repeating the same violation, because repeated violation can lead to stronger restriction. Now, does this mean Facebook will immediately ban you because you made one mistake? Not necessary. The action Facebook takes can depend on what happened, the severity of the violation, and your account history. So don't panic. Instead, learn the rules and pay attention to your account status and any notification Facebook sends to you. Alright? The safest way to go on Facebook is to create original content, interact naturally, follow Facebook policies, and build a real community. Alright? So now, tell me in the comments, have you ever had Facebook remove one of your posts, restrict your account, or warn you about something you posted? Tell me what happened. Let's learn from each other's experience. And if you're a beginner trying to understand Facebook and grow your account to the right way, follow me, because I'll keep breaking these things down in a very simple way for you to understand. Alright? Peace out.